Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install CurseForge. As I'm going to show you the process, it's pretty simple. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I'm going to jump right in here. I'm going to type CurseForge. There you go, so you want to make sure you go to the first one right here, the CurseForge.com. Up here in the right corner, you want to click on Get CurseForge App. Now here as you can see, I've downloaded an overload standalone, and you can also do more download options here. This will bring you down here as you can see, and it actually have for Windows, Mac and Linux. But in any case, if we're back here, I definitely advise you to download standalone here, because Overwolf has had quite some problems in the past, so I don't advise you to download Overwolf, except if you have a specific reason to do so. There you go, as you can see here up in the right corner, I'm going to do show in folder here. So as you can see here, it's in my downloads, so I'm then going to click here on the installer. As you can see, this window will appear here. Now I'm going to go for English here. You can select whatever language you want. I'm going to click next here. Here as you can see is the path where it will be installed. And then here down here you want to make sure that you accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Then we're going to click next here. And now this window is also quite important actually, because this has to do with privacy and what you want to allow CurseForge to have access to. So in case you can do manage here, and so you have purpose, features and vendors, and here you can actually select or consent here to certain features. And so if there are some things here you have to read it that you don't agree with or that you don't want, make sure that you check or uncheck any of these right here to make sure that you personalize, that you actually personalize here what you allow to give CurseForge access to. But in any case, if that's good for you, you can do save and exit here. As you can see, it will start installing here. This can take some time depending on the performance. As you can see, it will launch automatically, and it also creates this desktop shortcut here. In case it really doesn't show up, you can always check here and search. And you type CurseForge here, and you can also audit right here in case it doesn't appear. But there you go, they should be good at this point. It's as simple as that. Now in my upcoming video, I'm actually going to show you how to use CurseForge. So for example, to download and install mods, mod packs and add-ons as well. So in case that's something you're interested in or something you want to know about, make sure you click on that video up here in the right corner. In any case guys, hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, it's a pretty quick tutorial. It's pretty simple. In any case, hope you enjoy. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.